So today was Volunteer Day. It takes a lot of bodies to make this event happen. Though the MQG arranges all the electricity and the floor plans, with the conference center, they hire a crew to help set up the sewing machines. There still is a ton of work to be done behind the scenes and sourcing all the supplies and then organizing the volunteers for setup. Yesterday, the volunteers were stuffing all the goodie bags and hanging all the quilts in the show. Today, one of the crews was steaming the quilts and leveling them, and my crew was setting up the classrooms. We unpacked irons and cutting boards and light tables. We changed blades on rotary cutters, fixed design walls, and threaded over 70 sewing machines. Then there was the signage and the easels and the whiteboards. Every room had a headset that had to be set up and charged. You see this little paper bag with a piece of tape? There were 16 classrooms, and we had to set up every single one of them. This is Tuesday, and she kept us all on task, and I would work for her again in a heartbeat. And this is Kristen, and she was the one that kept us all organized. I met people that I had volunteered with before. I met old friends that I didn't realize were volunteering. And my favorite part was I met a whole bunch of new friends. Now, over the next couple of days, there'll be another crew of volunteers helping out at registration, or they'll be on the white glove group, or they'll help out in the classroom. They even help sell raffle tickets. I met some amazing people. We all got this cool t-shirt, and then it was time for registration. The system this year was super easy. You received an email with a QR code. You just put under the reader, and then out popped your show badge. And I was one of the lucky attendees that got a goodie bag, and they contained all this loot. Then we headed over to the lecture hall for the award show, and I sat with all my Toronto Modern Quilt Guild buddies. We met the new MQG president, Alita Crawley, and she is gonna be fabulous. There are so many stunning quilts in the show. We were all blown away by how beautiful the award winners were. If you haven't seen the photos of them online, I'll leave a link down in the notes to the Quiltcon website. I can't wait to see them all in person in the show tomorrow. It was a great first day. Actually, technically, it's still a pre-day. Classes, vendors, and the quilt show starts tomorrow. So I'm hitting the sack early to get a good start in the morning. See you then. Take care.